Ever stared at a classic Mustang, dreaming of bringing it back to its former glory, only to dread the fiddly bits? Well, this complete brake and clutch pedal assembly, set for the 1964-1966 Mustang, might just be the answer to one of those restoration headaches. It's genuinely exciting to see a product that understands the needs of a restorer, offering a comprehensive solution rather than a piecemeal approach. What immediately grabs your attention is that this isn't just a couple of pedals. It's a full, brand-new kit. We're talking pedals, the crucial support, springs, bushings, all the necessary brackets, the stop, a clip, and even the insulators. Think about the time and frustration saved from hunting down each individual component, hoping they all match and fit. This kit eliminates that entire ordeal, which for anyone who's ever worked on a vintage car is a huge relief. Designed specifically for the 1964 and a half through 1966 Ford Mustang models, the compatibility is spot on. There's no guesswork involved here. Every single piece is precisely manufactured to match the original specifications, promising a direct replacement that should slide right into place without any custom fabrication or frustrating adjustments. That perfect fitment is absolutely critical when you're dealing with a classic, ensuring the integrity and authenticity of the vehicle remain intact. Now, let's talk about the build. The quality construction features durable metal throughout, which is exactly what you want for components that are going to see constant use and bear significant force. And for safety and control, the non-slip rubber pedal pads are a thoughtful touch. You can almost feel the confidence it instills, knowing your foot won't slip during a crucial brake or clutch engagement. It's that blend of robust materials and practical design that really makes a difference. What's truly impressive is how this assembly manages to maintain the authentic design and classic look of the original Mustang pedal assembly, while simultaneously providing modern reliability. It's not just about function, it's about preserving that iconic feel and aesthetic. You get the best of both worlds, the vintage charm your Mustang deserves, coupled with the peace of mind that comes from brand new, quality components. Imagine sliding into that driver's seat, feeling the solid, responsive action underfoot, knowing these pedals are ready for many more miles. Ultimately, for anyone tackling a 64-66 Mustang restoration, this pedal assembly set isn't just a collection of parts. It's a thoughtful solution that respects the past while delivering on modern expectations for quality and ease. It's a smart investment for bringing that classic back to life, ensuring a smooth, safe, and authentic driving experience.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.